Good morning, Texans. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe our moment of silence. So, thanks to Student Council for putting together a really fun week of activities to do together on Twitter. Today's day is TikTok Thursday, and Stuco wants you to know that we need to keep those school appropriate. So they'll give you a retweet if you will mention Texan Stuco on Twitter, and then also put in the hashtag Texan Coronation, and they'll be happy to see your TikToks. I'm sure we will see some very interesting ones. Calling out Mr. McCowan and Coach Williams, I think we'll see some really good ones from those guys. So looking forward to that. Have a note from Jostens. That's the folks who do our senior cap and gown, regalia, things like that. They are going to do a makeup pickup for you at their home office in Argyle. That will be on Thursday, April 16th from 3 to 5 p.m. at the Jostens office in Argyle. I want to make sure that they let you know that the office is actually closed to visitors. They will do a drive-through pickup similar to what they did at Northwest High School, except in this case, they're doing it for several different schools. So you'll be able to drive through Jostens, drive there and pick up your cap and gown if you did not get to do that back when we did it at Northwest I guess it was last week. So make sure that you make note of that. We'll get more information out to our seniors on that as well. And then finally, tomorrow, April 10th, is a school holiday. Now, that sounds kind of weird because we're out of school, but technically what we're in is we're closed and instructing. And so the days are structured as though we were in the actual building, but we're not. And so we're actually having instructional days per our instructional calendar. April 10th was designated as a student holiday, a school holiday. And so with that, there will be some differences in the way things function. For example, I won't do these school announcements tomorrow, April 10th, because it's technically a school holiday. Students, you use that time how you need to with respect to your studies. Your work is still all due on Sunday. I do realize that's Easter. Dr. Warren addressed that in his Facebook Live yesterday, but we want to make sure that you have the opportunity to have that day off, to celebrate as you see fit, that type of thing. So it is technically a school holiday. However, if the people who are working with you at home are telling you to do your work, you do your work, whether it's school holiday or not, right? Because we do that on the weekends and we do that on the evenings and that kind of thing. So follow the orders of whoever is in charge of you at home. However, we're going to call it a school holiday, and I will not be posting announcements tomorrow. And Texans, that's all I have for you today. I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again, and I hope you have a great Thursday and a great weekend.